If you're tired of dragging a heavy vacuum around the house, the Nadali cordless vacuum cleaner might be exactly what you need. It's lightweight, cordless, and promises strong suction with features designed for real homes, especially if you've got pets. But it can spit out dust and doesn't stand upright on its own. So today we'll go over the Nadali in detail, how it cleans, how easy it is to use, battery life, and if it's actually worth the money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. All right, let's start with what matters most: cleaning performance. The Nadali vacuum comes with 3 suction modes, and at the highest setting, it hits 28 kilopascals of suction. That's enough to pull in dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even kitty litter from floors, carpets, and couches. Inside, you'll find a cyclonic filtration system and a washable, high-density HEPA filter. It traps up to 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, which helps clean the air while you vacuum. This is especially useful if you have allergies. It works on wood, rugs, and tiles without needing to change any tools mid-clean. If you've got pets, the roller brush does a good job picking up fur without getting tangled too quickly. Although if you've got a lot of shedding, you might need to clean the brush manually now and then. It also does well on low-pile carpets, but it's not perfect. On thick carpets, suction can feel a bit weaker, especially if the dustbin gets full. A good tip is to empty the bin before deep cleaning. When the bin is even halfway full, suction can drop off fast. Also, a small thing, if you pick it up or turn it off mid-clean, it can sometimes spit out larger debris that didn't get fully sucked in. So you might need to go over the same spot again, just to be sure. Now let's talk about how easy it is to use. This thing is light, just 6 pounds. You can carry it upstairs with one hand, use it on the ceiling, or move it under furniture without breaking a sweat. It's cordless, so you're not tied to one room. The main cleaning head has a V-shaped anti-tangle roller, which helps reduce hair wrap. It works well, especially in homes with pets, but you'll still want to clean the brush manually once in a while if your dog or cat sheds a lot. Steering is smooth, and it can rotate 180 degrees sideways and 90 degrees up and down, which makes it easy to clean under beds or around corners. It also has 6 inbuilt LED headlights to light up darker areas like under couches. You get a few attachments too, like a crevice tool and an upholstery brush. There's also a retractable tube, so you can turn it into a handheld cleaner for cars, curtains, stairs, and more. It's pretty versatile. There's even a spot on the charging dock to hold the small tools, so you don't lose them. The only thing to note is that it doesn't stand upright on its own because the top is heavier, so you'll need to lean it or use the wall mount when not in use. As for the sound, it's fairly quiet, somewhere around 70 decibels, which is average for any vacuum cleaner. It gives you up to 45 minutes of cleaning time on standard mode. That's decent for regular daily cleaning without needing to stop and recharge in between. Charging takes 4 hours, so if you've got a big place, you may want to clean in sessions or top it up midday. And here's a small but useful feature. The charger has 2 blue lights. While it's charging, the lights blink, and once it's fully charged, they turn solid blue. So you'll always know when it's ready to go again. But you don't get a backup battery like premium vacuums. Now let's go over to ease of maintenance. The Nadali is bagless and comes with a 1.5-liter dustbin. That's a decent size and reduces how often you need to empty it. But if you have pets or a lot of debris like sand or litter, you might need to empty it a few times during a deep clean. The dustbin is detachable and washable, so cleanup is pretty easy. Just unclip it, dump the dirt, and rinse it with water. Regularly emptying the bin is important to keep the suction strong. Suction tends to drop if the bin is too full. You don't need to replace the filters often, but you should wash them regularly to keep things running smoothly. Just make sure they're fully dry before putting them back. Wet filters can mess with suction or cause mold. Also, don't forget about the roller brush. Even though it's got an anti-tangle V-shaped design, hair can still get wrapped around it, especially if you have pets. Just pop the brush out and cut away any tangled hair or string with scissors. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about the warranty and support. The Nadali vacuum comes with a 2-year warranty, which is pretty standard for vacuums in this price range. As for customer support, users say the brand responds pretty quickly if something goes wrong. Whether it's a faulty part or something not working right, support teams are said to be helpful and usually send replacements without much hassle. That's definitely a plus when you're buying a product online. So what's the final verdict? The Nadali cordless vacuum does a great job on hard floors, pet hair, and quick cleanups. It's lightweight, has strong suction, and comes with all the tools you need for cleaning around the house. It's not perfect. The suction could be better on thick carpets, and it doesn't stand on its own. But overall, it's a solid cordless vacuum for everyday use, especially if you're looking for something compact and easy to handle. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the discount link down below. And for another useful cleaning video for sweet and fresh home, check out this video next.